But Shukamuni is telling in the 10th canto, chapter 33, verse 39, he's saying, he says, Vikriditam brajabadu bir sakalpita. He said, if you just Shradanvita, if you hear the Ras Lila, you hear the Madhurya Lila, you hear the Braja Madhurya Lila of Radha and Krishna, so much pavitram, so much power, so much sweetness comes inside of you like a tusami, like huge taranga, that brings so much bhakti and so much feeling, devotion for Krishna. That comes first, parabhakti labhyate. Then automatically, kam, krodh, lobh, everything out. Leela has such power. So the more we can connect and contact with Leela, Krishna's Leela, under ashraya of Guru, and proper sadachar. Sadachar, there must be yama niyama, not some sahajya. Proper yama niyama, yam niyam, and Guru shelter. These books are for us. Govinda Lilamrita, Krishna Bhavanamrita, Bhavana Sara Sangraha, Krishnaika Kumudi. These are all Leela Granths. For bhaktas, you chant, every acharya will say, Gaudiya Math, this particular acharya said so many times, I heard directly from him. He said, chant japa and think of Leela. Just start. You spend 10, 15 minutes, you read some small Leela. 6 a.m., Pratak Leela, or whatever. And you think, and then now this is called Smaran, remembering what you heard.